So again, hello everyone. Again, welcome to my channel Akshita's Utterances. So here I'm Akshita Deep Sharma, BDS first year student from ITS Dental College, Greater Noida. So guys, hello everyone. Finally, intro is done. So today video is a very special video and काफ़ी लोग मुझसे कहा means they are just commenting regularly on the कि please compare BDS versus BAMS and other courses if we didn't get the MBBS. देखिए सीधी सी बात है just when the results come we have the option that if we didn't get MBBS we have some other options that we have to choose whether we choose BDS, BAMS or BHMS or any other course or physiotherapy, like these type of courses. And also there are also very good courses, so we have to make a choice. We have to make a proper choice that which course do we choose. Okay, so first of all, I may not be the right person to compare different type of courses, like if I say BDS versus BAMS, because I don't think, because मैंने actually really I had not gone कि मतलब मैंने किसी भी course की पूरी भी like BDS, I'm doing BDS, I'm even first year student, so I can't make a opinion about that. या फिर BMS के बारे में जो शायद मैंने किया भी नहीं है, तो मैं कैसे उसके बारे में एक ओपिनियन दे सकती हूँ. बट येस, आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि जस्ट एट माई टाइम मैंने कैसे कंपेयर किया था, कैसे मैं finally I compare other courses and finally I decided to go to BDS. So regarding that, I can yes help you. I can give you a smaller description, a smaller type of comparison you can say, so that you can have a small idea ki which course we want actually to choose. So basically here we are having BDS versus BMS. So firstly in this video we have two parts of this video. In the first video, that is part 1, you will get the link of the other video in the description box below, and you can see it from, and also from the comment box you can see the description or the link of the other video, you can go it from there. So basically in this video I will be telling you about, especially firstly about BMS in brief, and in my next video I will be telling you in brief about BDS, that what it is actually, what I have found after doing 1 year of BDS, so that you can have a better idea and you can yourself compare. I will not ever try to just influence your choices. Whatever information I will be giving you on the video, that is just what I gather from the internet, that is not self-made. It usually didn't reflect my opinions, but yes, I will try to give you the basic information of that. So let's not waste our time and let's start the video. So basically BAMS. So basically what is BMS, right? It is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, BMS, and we have the other options. And if you really want, I will just give some of the qualities that if you're really interested in, then you can go and definitely pursue this course. First of all, many of the people are interested in Ayurvedic medicines. We are very much interested, some are like that we are आजकल के time में that we are interested in our history of the medicines, that India is an origin from where all the Ayurvedic medicines come usually. We have a vast treasure of the Ayurvedic medicine. We have different type of jadi booties and like that, different type of things, and we have many of the natural sources which are still present in our environment, which are very much important for our health. And उनकी importance हम लोग को पता चली जब हम लोग का कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ. We are just like we are using, हम लोग majority of the population are using the products which are actually coming from the Ayurvedic sources, like we are continuously using the Patanjali things. Okay, so Patanjali, and we were using the different type of medicines. Every house mein har log, they are just taking those medicines, means they are just so much of famous that everyone was saying ki medicines, allopathic medicines are not very much helpful, they are very much helpful to improve your immunity, and we were all taking that. That is a reality. So BMS, it is a Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, and 5 साल का कोर्स होता है. इट्स जस्ट 5 years, जस्ट लाइक BDS में वी आर हैविंग 1 year, that training period. Okay, so basically it is a 5 year course, simple, just like MBBS, BDS, BMS, BHMS. That is a common thing about everything. That is about 5 year course. It is there. Eligibility is that in your NEET exam, it's a common exam for these 4 courses. Especially for that NEET exam, you have just gained 50% of the minimum marks which are required, which are must. Okay, and then when you are in 12th, you have that PCB, which is your physics, chemistry, biology, of course you must have that. So if I talk about it fees, so if I talk about the fees of the government colleges and also of the private colleges, then it will just range from 20,000 to 3 lakh per year. That is the basic fees. We can have an average idea, means I have seen the fees of different type of colleges, and that is the average, that it will be between this and this. it is not much high as compared to BDS and MBBS private. It is much lower. And if you really want to go to a medical line, and if you didn't get the government college, you have the options of private college. And if you don't want to waste much money, then definitely you can pursue the BAMS. It's not much costly as compared to BDS and MBBS, because they're very much costly. Even in BDS, it is just costing, I think it is approx, if I talk about 2021, it is 4 lakh or 4 to 5 lakh. It's just the starting of the private colleges BDS per year. So it is also really very much expensive. Now let's talk about what are the job options, what are the fields which where you can apply or what you can become. So definitely, if you are doing the Ayurvedic MBBS, you can just become an Ayurvedic doctor. You can just go in private hospitals, government hospitals, Ayurvedic clinics, Ayurvedic companies like Patanjali, Himalaya, and many more. And they are also gaining so much popularity nowadays. Ayurvedic companies are just like that. And again, you can become a manager, you can become a resident medical officer, you can become a medical representative, you can become a manager, medical officer, you can become a medical development officer in also different type of companies, because these are just like companies. We have that in engineering type. So basically, we have different type of options. I hope this is a very short description of BMS, and I will be completing it in my next video. So just see in the description box. So this is all about a smaller description of BMS. I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you guys.